What's going on, guys? It's your boy Blake, back again with another video. And today we are doing a little bit more of a larger and expanded tour of my family's house, my parents' house. I did do this video a couple times in the past, but I didn't really show the entire house, the inside of it, and all of the rooms, the majority of the rooms. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Before we get into the video, just so you guys know, I'm giving away this Supreme box logo hoodie. Show you guys the whole thing, why not? This is a new bandana Supreme box logo hoodie in the red colorway. All you guys are gonna have to do to win this is subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and go to the photo that I posted on my Instagram. The link will be in the description, and comment on it. And that's how I'm gonna be picking the winner, by comment. You gotta make sure to do that. But basically we're in front of the house right now. My GTR, my dad's Ghost, and my dad's recently purchased GT. And also, before we get into this is not for flaunting purposes, trying to be extravagant and boastful, but it's to just show you guys that you work hard for something in life, you can honestly get whatever you want. And my parents both worked very, very hard to support me with the life that I'm lucky to live. And I just want to say that I'm very grateful to have been able to grow up like with a lifestyle like this and in a house like this, and I'm very fortunate for everything my parents have done for me and supported me and supplied me, which has obviously helped me get to where I am today. We got shoes like literally just sitting here because I kind of just like to take over wherever I can, which I kind of annoy my parents, which I'm sorry. This is the main like guest room, living room. This isn't a guest room, it's like a living room for guests to come and hang out at when they come. Hanukkah bush, we haven't taken it down yet because it looks nice, but this is a very comfortable area. Opens up to the front. You got much seating in here. You have the piano where young Blake used to hit the keys, and you have a nice fireplace which we've never used. Dining room. You guys are gonna see a little bit more of an area I just decided to take over. I have like a lot of just random sitting here, like clothing from brands and promo stuff. So, pantry, but we don't really have that much food in this house because we honestly are not really a type of family that like eats together a lot here. We eat together like outside of the house just because it's a lot of work to always be cooking and cleaning in like a huge kitchen like this. My mom kind of like just gotten tired of like having to clean up after our mess. So we all just eat out. If you guys haven't seen my TikTok, we use this little guy basically to test all my diamonds. You're gonna be very surprised on what happened. So go to my TikTok, and I made a TikTok testing my diamonds. Kind of cool. This is our kitchen, if you guys couldn't tell yet. Kind of explanatory for itself. There's a table, a kitchen. This is the outside. Huge palm trees. They used to be like that size, like the ones over there. And then those ones like were just planted like 2 years ago right there, and now they're gonna grow to be like that big. Little seating area over here. This is actually kind of cool. The barbecue grill out here. You want to cook up some dogs. Another fireplace which we barely use. Seating. It's still really cold in LA. It's like 60 right now. We have like a little tree house, just zoom, so I don't have to walk over there. I used to like hang out in there a lot, but then like kind of stopped. Now there's like rats there. So we don't really go in there anymore.
Yep, this is the main living room.
Very nice, but I like come in here once a year when we have like relatives over. And I just have like a random Supreme chair sitting there. Again, trying to take over the house as much as I can. A bunch of old Xbox games. I used to like go hard with gaming, but I'll be honest, like when you like find like a job, like a hobby, like my YouTube, social media, like you don't have time for this. Like especially I'm in high school. I don't know about you guys, but like my high school is like a lot of work. Like I have a lot of work and I'm still a senior, and like I still have a lot of work. I barely have time to make videos. Like we're busting this out on a Sunday, and I'm not gonna be able to film the whole week because I live at another house during the week, which is a long story which I've already gotten into. But this is probably one of my favorite games. This game is crazy. You can like get in a big truck and just drive through zombie like groups, like apocalypse. It's like, it's crazy. It's very cool, very gory, a lot of blood and killing. Very cool. As you guys can see, another area that I've taken over. Just a bunch of shoes.
Turn on the lights.
You guys have already seen the sneaker room. It's currently going through like an update right now. Like there's some stuff in there and there's some stuff like somewhere else, which I'll get into at another time. You can get a lot of exercise in this house. There's 3 floors. The bottom floor has a guest room connected to my sneaker room. It would make so much more sense if I just had my bedroom down there. I guess my dad is here. This is another just like table right here. Like, as you can see, like more of just my takeover. And my sister has tried to take over. Her room's behind you, but we don't need to really show that. She wouldn't want me to. This is my bedroom. I did do like a new type of setup. The lighting sucks in here. Like we've never got this replaced, which I should have, but I honestly don't care anymore. I recently did kind of just make a new setup right here, and I just put like 2 of my favorite Jordan 1s, Off-Whites and Fragments. I put Bear Bricks on both sides, and then a bunch of little random shit in between. My closet, it has changed a lot since I did a last closet tour video, but this closet, it's not even.
So what are your 5 favorite pieces in here?
5 favorite pieces? This video is already gonna be kind of long, no?
Give me your 5 favorite pieces.
5 favorite pieces? The Miri hoodie. Tommy really likes this. I'm getting him one for Christmas. I mean,
whoa, was this video made before Christmas?
No, it's not. But it's on the way. Got him one. He really likes it. Ye Must Be Born Again hoodie. Isn't it? Oh, it's Ye. I don't care. This Dior side bag, that's 4, right? And I'll just top it off with this $500 Balenciaga hat that my bought. One of my goals for the new year is to be a lot smarter with my money. If you're a friend of mine and you know me, you know I am not good with my money. I spend a lot on a lot of stupid stuff, but to me it's not stupid because it's like clothing and shoes, but it's like excessive. I'm very, very serious about my pant and bottom collection now. Just like my rotation, what I have. I'm very into cargo pants now. I have a lot of different various like random company cargo pants, like from Caterpillar and Cat. I talked about it in the Travis Scott, like Dress Like Travis Scott video. A lot of Amiri, tons of Amiri, a bunch of other very expensive cargo pants like Ready Made, Fear God, North Face, Off-White. A fat collection of like shorts, Fear God, Gucci, Just On, a bunch of other ones. And then I just have a bunch of essentials stuff, like all down here, blah blah blah, a bunch of stuff. So, and I've gotten a lot into Balenciaga. Like all right here is Balenciaga. Like this shirt,
hoodie,
all the way to like this like button up. This is like
that you've never even touched.
This is like I wore it to prom with my ex. This Balenciaga button up. You may have to put that on bookbsneak shop because it doesn't bring back good memories. But too much Balenciaga. Each of these hoodies are like 900 bucks. Times that by like 10, 12. It's like 10,000 in Balenciaga hoodies. And then again, more smart purchases by bookbsneak.
And we have a little fish.
Yeah, this has just been on since I was a baby, so I'm just gonna leave it there. This is my father, everybody. He just got home. We're showing them the house like as much as mom will probably let me.
Is this for your YouTube? I think we've showed the house before.
Yeah, but we're just doing it again. We're showing it a little
Another
more.
House tour. You show the front cars.
Oh, yeah. We did. We showed them.
Wait,
I got
did they see the Ferrari
out there now. It looks really badass.
Oh,
Sick.
Can you give us a tour of like the rest? Like show us the playroom?
Yeah,
that's basically it.
Except the playroom's a mess. I should clean it up first.
It's fine. The fact that he's in the video now, I'm good to post it for sure with my mom. Yeah, basically, yeah, their room is there, but like I'm not gonna show that. That's just weird. Like you guys don't need to see where my parents sleep.
Playroom is a disaster. This is where we watch the Clippers.
This is where we watch the Clippers beat the Lakers. The Lakers.
And then there's a horse.
We were actually using this, so it's fine if there's blankets.
It's kind of a total mess.
Yeah, but we are using it.
This is where we watch the Clipper games. So here, we're
making use of rooms in the house.
Ready? Let's turn this on right here. Go put the TV on. This is. If we're not on the floor, then we're going to be here watching the Clippers, the best NBA basketball team.
At this hour,
Channel 42. Clipper Nation. Watch this.
production this year, similar to what it was a year ago.
All right, guys, so basically my dad just brought home his 488 Italia GTB Ferrari. This looks pretty sick together. I want to race these. It's very, very close. This is like flat, like 3 seconds from 0 to 60. This is like 3.2. So I would say that's like about the same for how like I'm gonna drive it, like because we're not on a track. But he needs to powder coat the rims, make them black. I'm gonna get him to do that. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to drop a like down below, and maybe I'll fly one of you guys out here to just like hang out with me here. That'd be dope. But also make sure to enter the box logo giveaway if you guys want to win. The instructions will be in the description. And thank you guys for 700K. We just hit it. Very, very blessed. And I'm excited to have more people to make content for. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Blake. We're out of here. Peace.